Hi everyone, once again welcome to this tutorial. In today's video, we're going to do some live tracking and explore the different views option that we have. First option would be to sort the vehicle in our fleet by letters from A to Z. We click the first option, sort by name. We could also sort them by status. Online would be at the top, just registered would be at the very bottom. We could also view them by distance from a point of interest. Let's create a point of interest. We'll put it here. And then if we click by distance, it will be by distance toward our point of interest. The closest one to our point of interest will be at the top. Hope today's video was very helpful. Hope to see you next time.